Y'all, the Lord has been busy in his vineyard. Astronomers just found a galaxy out there in the far reaches of creation that looks exactly like a big old bunch of grapes. Now, I don't know about you, but if God's making fruit in outer space, I reckon it's sweet tea grapes just for the south. This galaxy's sitting way out yonder, 930 million years after the Big Bang, which is basically when the universe was still in diapers. And yet, with the James Webb Space Telescope and something called ALMA, that's not your Aunt Alma's pound cake. It's a giant telescope, plus a cosmic magnifying glass God just so happened to put there. We can see it clear as day. Some smart folks thought galaxies back then would be all nice and smooth, like Grandma's Sunday biscuits. Turns out this one's as lumpy as Aunt Betty's potato salad. They call it clumpy, but that's just fancy talk for got a lot going on inside. See, this galaxy's got so much gas packed in tight, it can't behave. It just starts collapsing into big old clumps, making stars faster than Baptists heading to the potluck line. Astronomers call that a disk instability. I call it the universe getting carried away. Normally, when stars blow up or shine real bright, they blast stuff apart, kind of like a leaf blower clearing your porch. But in this galaxy, that leaf blower must be sitting in the shed. These clumps just keep making more and more stars, lighting up the place like a revival tent. Now here's the thing, this galaxy ain't some weird one-off. It's sitting right where it ought to be in terms of size, age, how many stars it's making, which means a whole lot of the early universe might have been clumpy too. In other words, God's handiwork is messier than the church craft closet. So what did we learn today, class? The universe still surprises scientists. God's vineyard might stretch a lot farther than we thought. And if there's wine in heaven, it might just come from a galaxy 13 billion light years away. Can I get an amen? And for all you science buffs out there, don't think we're knocking the research. Science is good. Science is trustworthy. And if it weren't for the brains behind telescopes like JWST and ALMA, we wouldn't even know about these cosmic grapes. We're just sprinkling a little southern sugar on the story. All right, y'all. If you enjoyed this little stroll through God's galactic vineyard, go on and hit that subscribe button.